Hello guys and welcome to a new brand video. And today I'm going to show you how to view the recorded meetings in your Microsoft Teams desktop application. So the first thing that I will need you to do now is to open your Microsoft Teams desktop client and just connect with your Teams or Outlook account and then just follow the simple steps. So basically to see all the recorded meetings you will need to go to the Teams section here and you will find it here in the navigation tab or bar and click on Teams. Then you will need to go to the channel where you had your meeting or where you want to visualize your meetings. So basically let's just go here and click on this plus and then so basically you will need to click on this plus and then search for stream. And basically in the stream are the platform or the place where all the meetings are uh, connected or are saved. So basically you will be needed to go to stream of your application and here you will find your watch list. So basically all the streams or all the recordings that you have permission to see, you will find them here. So it seems that I have nothing to watch here. So let's just go, for example, in Microsoft list and let's connect to our account in the portal web or web portal and just add our just connect and login, sign in and have some verifications. And as you can see here we will find our meetings and it seems that I have already deleted my previous meeting. So let's just create a new meeting and start recording it so I can show you how to see them. So basically I will go to Teams, Meet, join now, and I will start recording. So basically I'm going to turn off my camera and start recording transcribe, start recording, and now I'm going just to record the 10 seconds of my meeting so I can show you how to do. So you will wait until it turns red. So now the recording has started and let's just wait for 5 seconds for example, and now I'm going to stop recording, click on it and click on stop, and now I'm going to end my meeting. So I'm going to click and basically I'm waiting for the recording is being saved. I'm going to wait for it, and basically all you need to is to click on it and it will take us to the SharePoint, which is normally it should be able, as you can see this is the stream uh, option or the stream window, and you will find your meetings recorded. So let's just have our refreshed and search for our video or groups, etc. And as you can see, a meeting has been created or groups has been created. And when I'm going to click on it, search for videos, and we need to find our recordings. So basically all you need is to click on your meetings here, so it will redirect you to the SharePoints, because you will need to have the exact same URL and you will need to search for your SharePoint. So either you are going to your Microsoft Teams SharePoint, so it depends on your organization, and for each organization has its SharePoints, and you will search for your meeting and you will find it here with other meetings that you have in your Microsoft Teams account. So basically this is how you can watch your or rewatch your meetings. So you will find them here in your posts and you will search for your meeting and you will be able to rewatch them. So basically this is how you can do it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.